Welcome to the Highlands at Maryville Villas, a picturesque tree-lined community with easy access to downtown Maryville, local shopping, the airport, and more. This charming ranch-style home features an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The spacious family room boasts vaulted ceilings, while the sunroom, accessed through French doors, offers a bright retreat. The well-appointed kitchen is complemented by a separate dining room, perfect for gatherings. Outdoors, you'll find a delightful front courtyard and a large back patio, ideal for private entertaining. The owner's suite is bathed in natural light, complete with vaulted ceilings, a generous ensuite bathroom featuring a separate shower, jetted tub, double vanity, and a walk-in closet. Additional highlights include a separate laundry room with storage and sink, and an oversized 2-car garage with attic storage. This low-maintenance community offers HOA benefits like trash service and lawn care, all with no city taxes. Enjoy one-level living at its best with fresh paint and new carpet. Buyer to verify all measurements and square footage.